If as long as it's tethered, it should work.
Yeah.
Right? I think.
I don't like
maybe
VR.
not.
Are there
I
any
don't like that.
multiplayer Go games?
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
This is huge. If they got a multiplayer Go game,
What?
that's
Show the Vive for it.
that'll work on the Go. I don't know of any multiplayer
Okay.
games.
There we go. Okay, I got the link. With the
Awesome. So they've already done all the scripts, huh?
They're working on the networking side of it right now, but yeah, they've got all the movement. So show them how the movement works. If you hit start,
All right,
it's really nice. The third-person controlled movement.
Okay.
I made the first.
So
I built
the mouse controls your left, right, and
Okay.
then and the trees have colliders and everything.
Cool. So what's the multiplayer aspect? How's that
The
work?
multiplayer aspect
It's
is
not
that
on that computer yet.
Yeah, it's not on.
How will it work, or what
is that there's going to be a server, and
Okay.
then there are going to be clients. So you run the server and you host, and then the
Okay.
clients have a different file, but they all run their client side, and it'll be a main menu. It'll say version whatever. Hit Z to
So
start.
you have two OVR cameras, or
no,
how will that work?
So what happens is you actually use a class that's built into Unity called Network Manager.
Okay.
You can use the Network Manager class, all of its subparts. You have network identity, network HUD, and if you put those in the scene correctly, it takes care of everything. Every time a player joins, it'll spawn the player prefab for them.
Wow.
With the camera, they can move around. They have their own controls.
But the thing
I
is,
didn't
though,
move
is
while in the
that
air.
I couldn't like fully patch the
In-air acceleration.
the multiplayer.
Wait,
like I
I'm
can't
gonna
make
get
it
some
so.
air, I'm gonna just
So
start
what I
going
did was
backwards.
to make it so that only this one could be the server, right? Because we don't want everyone making a server, because then it could cause problems. I don't know. So I just I made it so that if you press create server on there, it would just make it localhost, so that no one would be able to connect to it. And the only way to connect to it is if
you have the main
the
client,
server
yeah.
file.
Yeah, the main server.
Anyway, got the link so you guys.
So now we just have a nice capsule.
So what do I have to do?
You type that in your browser.
Oh, the bit.ly? Okay.
I'll type mine in.